Welcome to Progressive Education. Today we will learn about why do balloons float? Why balloons rises up in the air? Simplest reason is balloons rise in the air because they are filled with a gas that is lighter than the surrounding air. Balloons that float are typically filled with helium gas, which is less dense than the gas that is nitrogen and oxygen in our air. Helium is lighter than air, so a balloon filled with this gas weighs less than the air. Be subjected to an upward force. Next question in your mind will be, why is helium balloon not affected by gravity? Is it? It's a valid question, and the answer is, helium itself is not affected by gravity, as helium is a gas, not a solid object. But, if you think of a helium-filled balloon, the balloon itself is an object. Gravity does affect helium-filled balloons, but the reason they float is due to a buoyant force that counteracts gravity. Helium is less dense than the surrounding air, so the buoyant force exerted on the balloon is greater than the force of gravity, pulling it downward. This causes the balloon to float in air.